everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Maybe you got to go apple picking or to the pumpkin patch or play outside a little bit. Whatever you did, I hope it was fantastic and you're ready for a new week. Here we go. Echo after me. The month is October. I see that Sunday was October 11th. If Sunday was October 11th, then I'm going to pull the 12th over. Today is October 12th, and there is a happy face here because it is actually a holiday. It is Columbus Day. You're going to be getting a video in the classroom today you can watch to learn about Christopher Columbus. All right, let's fill in our date. It's October 12th. October is the 10th month. It is October 12th, 2020. Okay, let's put it in word form. October 12th, 2020. I know that today is Monday, so if today is Monday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we were in school 19 days. If I have 19 and I add one more, uh-oh. Am I allowed to have 10 ones? Nope. I need to get rid of these. Let me see if it'll let me highlight them. There we go. I need to get rid of those and exchange them for a group of 10. So now, let me ask you, how many groups of 10 do I have? Don't tell me I have 20 groups of 10. I have one group of 10, and then I have another group of 10. So that means I have 2 10s and 0 1s. Put that together and I have 20. That's 20 days of school. All right, tell me an easy peasy, lemon squeezy way to make 20 cents. Easy way. What do I do? If you said pull down 2 dimes, you are absolutely correct. 10, 20. All right, these are words that you should know. All first grade words still. Know them fast. Say, many, should, how, says, see, number, between. If these words are hard for you, go back and practice them. All right, I've added some new stuff. Get ready for this, you guys. I went and watched a couple second grade teachers teach calendar, and I noticed that they were doing some cool new things. So I wanted to make sure I added them in. So what happens here is I can click on this, and a number pops up. 95. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this over where 95 would be. Okay? Do you guys see where 95 is? We're going to count by tens starting at 5. Okay? Listen to me. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115. I know this feels different than when we count by tens over here, but we're doing the same pattern of going straight down, counting by tens. All right, here's our next new thing. I'm going to pull up a number right here, 72. I'm going to put it here. I want you to have your hundreds board out. So if you need to pause me, pause me. You need a hundreds board. I want to know what is one less than 72. If you have 72 and you have one less. Let's look at our hundreds board. If we're at 72 and we look at our hundreds board, what's one less? 71. If I'm at 72 and I add one more, what is it on your hundreds grid? 72. Now this will be new. 10 less. Remember, less gets us smaller. 10 more. So if I am at 72 and I go 10 less, where am I now? Yup, I'm at 62. All right, well, 62, 72. What do you think is 10 more? 82. Good job. All right, last new thing. Place value. This is what we're going to be spending a few weeks on in second grade. So this is good practice. I'm going to get us a number. Whew. 782. Say it with me. 782. Okay, I'm going to break this number into its hundreds, tens, and ones. Left to right. 782. Okay? I have 7 hundreds. I have 8 groups of 10 and 2 ones. I'm going to put 782 right here because that's our number. What would be 100 less? Okay, let's go to the 100 spot. What would be 100 less? We've got to take away 100. It would be 682. What about if we add 100 more here? Then it would be 882. All right, these are new things. We're going to keep practicing.